Can Border Collies be used in flyball competitions? Flyball is a fast-paced and exciting dog sport that tests a team's speed, coordination, and agility. It involves a relay race between two teams of 4 dogs each, who have to retrieve a tennis ball from a box and race back over hurdles to their handler. Border Collies, known for their intelligence and athleticism, are often sought after as ideal candidates for various dog sports. However, when it comes to flyball competitions, can Border Collies really be used? Let's explore this topic further. Border Collies are renowned for their herding abilities, as they were originally bred for working purposes on farms. They possess excellent obedience, focus, and drive, which are all advantageous traits in dog sports. In fact, they excel in activities like obedience trials, agility trials, and even herding trials. Their intelligence and eagerness to please make them perfect candidates for learning complex maneuvers and commands. One might think that Border Collies would be well suited for flyball, given their natural instincts and athleticism. After all, flyball requires dogs to sprint, jump hurdles, and retrieve a tennis ball. These are skills that Border Collies typically excel in. However, there are some factors to consider that may impact their performance in flyball competitions. Firstly, Border Collies are known for their intense drive and single-minded focus. While this may be an asset in many dog sports, it can also pose a challenge in flyball. The race format of flyball requires dogs to race against another team, which means they need to share the same course and cross paths with other dogs. Border Collies, being highly focused on their task, may struggle with distractions and may not perform optimally in a team setting. Moreover, Border Collies tend to have a strong herding instinct, which can sometimes interfere with their performance in flyball. When faced with a group of dogs running towards them, a Border Collie may be compelled to herd them or attempt to control their movement. This can cause them to lose focus on their own task, leading to errors or slower performance. Another factor to consider is the physical demands of flyball. While Border Collies are undoubtedly agile and can reach impressive speeds, their body structure may not be the most suited for flyball. Border Collies have a relatively longer body compared to breeds like Whippets or Greyhounds, which are commonly seen in flyball. This longer body structure can make clearing hurdles slightly more challenging for Border Collies, potentially impacting their speed and efficiency. However, it is important to note that every dog is an individual, and there are exceptions to every rule. Some Border Collies may excel in flyball competitions despite these considerations. With proper training, socialization, and exposure to different environments, some Border Collies may be able to overcome their natural instincts and excel in the team environment required for flyball. In conclusion, while Border Collies possess many desirable traits for dog sports, their suitability for flyball competitions may vary from dog to dog. Their intense focus, herding instincts, and body structure may present challenges in this specific sport. However, it is important for potential handlers and owners to evaluate their Border Collie's individual traits, abilities, and preferences. With the right training and guidance, a Border Collie could potentially prove to be a competitive flyball participant.